Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're tuning in, and welcome to the YouTube channel, day 41. Today is the 10th of October, and I am covering events for the 9th of October. I need to make this quick. I don't have a whole lot of time. So, just yesterday was a Sunday, and I checked emails and then worked on the checklist. I had an excessive amount of emails, so when I say I check emails, I do check emails every day, but usually I'll let them accumulate a little bit and then I'll archive them. So I did archiving of emails yesterday, which is a more intense process, and then also worked on the checklist, knocking out small tasks. And then, I've been bad with a lot of the checklist items, so I'm recommitting to doing it right, to making sure that I go in there and work on those items or schedule them for the future. So a lot of stuff has been going on. I've been pushing back tasks, so I'm committed to doing these tasks um, in a timely manner. I did exercise yesterday for 45 minutes with a 3-minute jog. I did go to the gym. I just did the hydro massage. I didn't exercise at all. And that's the goal. The goal was just to go into the gym to check in and suit up. And after the 45 minutes and 3-minute jog, I just really wasn't all that interested in doing any more than that. But getting up, getting out of the house, and going to the gym, suiting up, um, was a big thing. Um, Also found out and had a call with my mom that a close family friend had passed away. Unfortunately, God rest his soul, and it just is another indication that how precious life is, and that we don't have infinite amount of time, and we've got to make the time that we have here count. It's got to count for something. We got to use it wisely and take care of our families. That's what we need to do. I had a lot of book issues yesterday. Um, books have, like I said yesterday, selling books is a big thing. So yesterday was a lot of listing the items into Amazon, and also managing the prep center. So there was a lot of work involved with that. I also cleaned my office yesterday, getting rid of a lot of boxes and things I don't need. Tidying up the place. I still have more work to do when it comes to cleaning the office, but at least I got started with that. Um, I also attended a power. Um, I watched a power conference video. Um, I watched a couple of them, so I spent a couple hours on viewing. So I can do repricing. I can reprice books, which is a different than listing. I can reprice books while I'm watching YouTube. On one screen I'm watching YouTube, and another screen I'm repricing books. So these were good to know conferences. I still have to complete the Power certification course. Right now I'm at a standstill with the Remote Wellness Academy because I have to wait until further lessons are unlocked. I hope today being the first business day um, that they unlock me and give me a few more training sessions so I can continue. There are some um, activities that I'm still working on from previous training sessions that I have to complete before I can mark them as being finished. But that doesn't, it's just a time release where I have to be, released from the time to get the next lessons. So other than that, I packaged a return, dealt with Walmart. Um, this, these items that I ordered were inauthentic. They're knockoff items. It looks like the seller is a third-party seller on Walmart is from China. So that causes me grave concern because um, I had a complaint on Amazon that this was a knockoff item. So, I tried to return. I had a box with two of them, and I had another box with another two of them. I wanted to ask Walmart if I could use the same return label, and they said no, that they would give me a new one. But then they said they needed to contact the seller, and then the seller doesn't want to give me a refund because he's just being being difficult. So I said, look, I'm done explaining this. Actually, Walmart already gave me the refund. Um, I'm done explaining this. I will send it back. I'm probably actually just going to send it back parcel post if I don't hear from them in the next couple of days. But I am sending it back. One way or another, it's going back to them. Um, and I'm going to dispute the charge with the credit card company if the charge reappears. I don't think Walmart's going to do that. I made it clear that these are inauthentic goods, and you know that's very dangerous. I'm a reseller, and to buy something and then it's not authentic, there's a big problem with that, and you can lose your account. You can be totally doing the right thing, and a company will say we don't want to do business with you because you're too risky, and it's happened to me before actually with other things, where I had engaged in other business activities, and they said, you know what, we don't want to do business with you because you're too risky. I won't go into it because for privacy reasons I don't want to talk about it, but I'll just say that stuff like this you have to take real affirmative action. When you hear about this, I'm not trying to get anybody in trouble. In this case, I just want Walmart to give me the refund for the items. So that's basically it. That was my day yesterday. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. I'm still waiting for my first subscriber. I'm still waiting for that first like. I know a couple of videos get a couple of views. It's really weird. So people are landing on my videos and probably bored to tears, or maybe using this as a way to fall asleep early. Um, but glad you're here. And if you are the first one, I want to give you a shout out. Um, when I do reach 1,000 subscribers, I will do my first live stream. So that's the incentive for you all to subscribe and hit that bell button, hit that like button, and share this video with other people, and comment. Give me a comment. Tell me what you think. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.